Well, we believe that the arrest warrants have been issued by the court while ignoring the lacunas and the flaws and the weaknesses that are clearly present in the challan and in the investigation report. And the courts had decided to take the extreme measure rather than summoning him or sending him a notice to appear before the court. Well, that's the choice of the court, whatever, I won't comment on that. However, I believe that Pervez Musharraf, so far as this warrant is concerned, does not mean that he has been indicted by the court. Indictment would only come when a formal charge is framed by the court, and that comes later in the proceedings. However, I believe that the FIA, while submitting its challan, never tried to question or engage Pervez Musharraf in their investigations. And therefore, on that count, I believe that this challan is absolutely faulty and wrong and basically a flawed challan, on the basis of which the court should have referred it back to the authorities to investigate it further and to take a statement and to record a statement by the investigating authorities rather than issuing a warrant of arrest. This is our line, and we believe that the legal rights that are available to Pervez Musharraf in accordance with the legal procedures in Pakistani law have not been complied with, and his rights, an attempt has been made to violate his rights and indict him or engage him in a frivolous accusatory process. Well, those who are interested in bringing him to the court in handcuffs, I can only comment that let them try and let's see if they can bring him to the court in handcuffs. Insofar as his presence before the court is concerned, yes, he has not run away from the law. He will not run away from the courts, and he will appear in the court if at all he is legally contacted and in accordance with the legal procedure and the requirements of the law. If they are complied with, yes, we will appear and we will argue in our defense and try to present our version of the situation, of the fact. You see, the very fact that these frivolous allegations have been leveled against him, in fact, is a clear proof and a clear evidence of the growing popularity and the fact that his political opponents are intimidated by his growing popularity, and that is why now they have resorted to such cheap and cheap tactics of filing frivolous charges against him and trying to engage him in the case of murder of Benazir Bhutto, which is something that her own husband, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, the President of Pakistan, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Gilani, has repeatedly asserted that Baitullah Masood and his colleagues were involved in the assassination of Benazir Bhutto. Now, after 3 years of that incident, FIA has suddenly realized through probably some kind of a dream that Pervez Musharraf was probably responsible for that murder. This clearly speaks, and this clearly is a clear indication of the fact that they are scared of him, and they have now resorted to such tactics in order to intimidate him. But I'll tell you that they are clearly wrong, and they are greatly mistaken. He will come back and he will basically expose their ugly faces before the public in Pakistan.
An accusatory